Hey everybody, my name is JP with Rockaway. I'm just here to talk to you guys about what we have going on next month. Obviously, we're still in the heat of everything. Everything's still hot. We're still in a restriction for watering, so just hold off a little bit longer. We do have rain in the future. Now, whether that rain's going to suffice enough for us to be able to lift those watering restrictions, probably not. We have a few things in place to basically protect the lawn against turf destroying insects, so your sod webworms, your chinch bugs this time of year. It's going to be hot. The grass is drying up. We all see it. We all know it. That's when those bugs like to come in, so we are putting a preventative down to make sure that we are trying to stay on this side of them. We don't want them getting in your lawn. Obviously, there's going to be some that get in, but with what we're applying, once they eat that product, they will die. So it's not something that's going to fully eradicate. We'll never see one, but this is something that will get to them, get in their digestive system, and kill them. That being said, we are towards the end of pruning, so we've gotten the yards looking good. We've got a lot of the frost damage out. A few odds and ends left in a few people's yards that we still need to take care of, but things are growing, things are blooming, things are looking beautiful. Just need a little bit more rain to help us out, and we'll be right where we need to be. But again, if you guys ever need anything, have questions, concerns about anything, I'm always around to call, or if you just need an ear to listen to, I'm here for you. Thank you so much.